Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your location on Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Snapchat, then click on your profile icon on the top left, then click on the settings cog on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see privacy control. Then you should see my location. So you want to click on that. And then near the top, you should have the option to toggle on ghost mode. So this just means when this is enabled, your friends can't see your location. So obviously all you have to do is simply toggle that on, and it'll give you multiple options. So you can have it on for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. So that's how you can hide your location on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.